Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Koenig Arius Generation 4 Style 55 here with me for a quick review. This is a pretty cool knife, guys. It's not going to be cheap. This is going to run you around $1,300. It's a special edition. It has some beautiful milling going on over here. Beautifully designed, guys. One of my favorite blades ever. This guy is 8.5 inches long overall, with a handle with 5.1 inch length. This is pretty cool. Look at this design. Titanium frame lock, M390 steel, 3.5 inch long blade. Beautifully designed. It's just fantastic. The weight of this guy is going to be 5.2 ounces. Overall action, yeah, superb. The sound, it's unique, very distinctive and pleasant to hear. Smooth action, very nicely dialed in detent. I cannot find many things wrong with this guy. So there you have it. If you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. But thanks for watching and stay tuned.